moved from Jamaica to the United States. And you know what? Come up, things say a foreign me done with them things there, you know, done with big talent and all of them things there. Been through it all. So fast forward. Now I'm in America. I'm a come up here. And the talent now work. You know what we do? We have to do and have bath. Hey guys, welcome back to Marla's World. And today we will be doing a Q&A slash get to know me tag, as you can tell by the title. So I went on Instagram and I told people to ask me a few questions for this video. I also posted it on my Facebook and I added on WhatsApp as well for those who doesn't have social media and have me as a family or friend. So anyways, yes. So I have a list of questions here. I have it saved in a folder called Q&A, so I can just answer the questions. So yeah, let's get into the video. So I'm just gonna get right into the questions in no particular order. So first of all, I want to tell you guys, Marla, my real name is Florence. I hate it so much, and I'm 26 years old. Yeah, and other than that, I'll just have to answer the questions that you guys sent in. So, somebody asked, why your belly so long? It's funny because I'm always posting and talking about food, but like, I don't know. It just doesn't like seem to have an end. Like, if I'm hungry, I'm gonna eat because I have food. Like, you know, like I'm not gonna starve myself. And as you can see, I'm skinny, so yeah. My favorite TV show. My favorite TV show, I feel like I have a lot and I can't really choose. So let's see. I love Greenleaf and I love Queen Sugar. So I'll just leave it at those two. But Greenleaf got canceled, so I'm kind of upset about that. But I'm not going to talk about that. Okay, Oprah. Favorite movie, I don't really watch a lot of movies, but I do like Overcomer and War Room. Those movies were really good. Favorite season, as in weather season. My favorite is fall because I love the colors of the trees, the leaves, and also because it's not too hot, but it's also not too cold. Well, unless you live in New England, you never know what you get. Why did I get my master's? I got my master's because I knew if I didn't get it right away, I probably would have to drive to go back. And that's crazy because like even though I'm out of school right now, I just always feel like, oh yeah, I should go back to school because I kind of miss it. But at the same time, like what else am I gonna get? Like I don't want to get my doctorate because I'm not going to be writing those papers at all. So yeah, that's out of the picture. So I'm looking into something else like CFA or CPA. So I'm still thinking about those. Not that you asked. Are you a mommy's girl or a daddy's girl? I don't know. Growing up, I was more of a daddy's girl, I guess. But as I got older, I'm more of a mommy's girl. But to be honest, I'm nobody's girl. I don't know. Most embarrassing school experience. Oh my goodness. When I was younger, guys, trauma. So I had like a bad fungus. I don't know what y'all call it in the States. But like I had it really bad and they had to cut my hair. Like my head was bald. Bald. I wish I had pictures, but I'm glad I don't because I was so embarrassed. Like my older cousin, like he was supposed to trim me and he was like, no, I can't even do it. And then my other cousin, which is my aunt's son, my mom's twin son, he went along and cut it and I was so mad. Oh my goodness. And then I went to school and everybody was laughing at me. This was like grade 4 or 5. I still remember Melanie laugh at me. Like, oh my goodness, that was so embarrassing. Like I didn't want to go to school. I went to church with a cap on my head. Like when Mr. Cap in, I'm like, me like real cap with a look up sitting at the front of it. Like I was so embarrassed, guys. Like, you have no idea. Oh my goodness. Like, I didn't want to go to school. I didn't want to go to church. I didn't want to go anywhere. Like, whew, don't cut your kids' hair. Oh my goodness. Have you ever slept all day? Um, Not all day. Like, I can't literally sleep through the entire day like that. But like like if I'm sad or something, I'll stay in bed all day, if that makes sense. But I'll get up, like, to eat or whatever. But like, I can't just, oh yeah, I'll sleep all day. Like, I've never done that. Have you ever went a day or more without bathing? Or why y'all up in my business? But yeah, it's cold in America. Like, like, I don't make it a thing, but like, anyways, and don't be judging me in the comments. Have you ever do a bush? I don't know why you guys were asking me this question. Like, oh my goodness, like, how is that you didn't know me? But anyways, actually, I don't remember. Like, growing up, I was in the country a lot, so, but I don't specifically remember a time where I actually went to poop in the bush. I actually don't. But let me tell you, so in November 2012, I moved from Jamaica to the United States. And you know what? Come up, things say a foreign me done with them things there, you know, done with pit talent and all of them things there. Been through it all. So fast forward. Now I'm in America. I'm a come up here. And the toilet now work. You know what we do? We have to do in our bag. We put the bag on. TMI, guys. We put the bag over the chimney. You guys know chimney? If you don't know chimney, you're not a real Jamaican. But anyways, we put the bag over the chimney and we have to do the and that. Me and all of my siblings them. Because we didn't stay with my auntie at the time. And something wrong with the bathroom. So we literally do it in a bag. I feel like a long time. Like, me not talk like one time now, or 2 times. Me talk months, literally months. We are doing in a bag and all them things. Then me feel sorry for the garbage man them. And my cousin just remind me about that too. I'm like, what is this, bro? Like, what is this? This is sad. Like, me never do in a bag of Jamaica and I become a big foreign and I come do in a bag. Let's think about it. Take a moment of silence for the garbage collector. Okay. Yeah, it was sad. It was sad. And you know what worse? I'm not done yet. You know what worse? When like we always have people over for Sunday dinner, Thanksgiving, this, that, and the third, and them come out yard and they can't use the bathroom, do whatever they want. But you know, say as they gone, if we want to use the bathroom, we can't use it. We are going right back up, go downstairs, go do it in our bag and carry it outside. But you know what me used to do sometimes? Confession. Sometimes when we have people over, we just let out a piece of do in their toilet because you know what? They're not gonna see me. I think I guess you know, so you can't blame guests for one do that, yeah, after I feed them. But anyways, let's change it. Let's go to another question. I can't. Would you do skinny dipping? I don't think so. Maybe if I had my own pool, which I would never get a pool. Like, no, I wanted one for the longest, and then my cousin died, and I'm like, no, I'm never getting a pool. I'm sorry. Somebody asked me, how old am I? I'm 26. Okay. Yep. Yeah, if I use a 2-teeth fork, yes, I'm using a 2-teeth fork before. I think, I don't know how me get it turned on. I know some mother used to have a liquor, that one a real liquor fork. But I used to like it. I used to like how it feels if you eat dumpling and them things. So I used to use it. I don't know if that's what you talk about, but yeah, I used to use 2-teeth fork. Or one scary story when I talk about from my childhood. I don't remember, but anyways, I know some use 2-teeth fork. Have you ever been encouraged? Me say, I don't know why Nicole asked me this, but anyways, Nicole, yes. So let me tell you one story, another story. Anyways, So guys, when me there Jamaica, I live with my mother at the time. And my cousin she come over and she has stay with me. She has stay with me for a little while. And while she's staying with us, me don't know what something must have happened between the two of we. And the girl, you know what the girl do? She courage me freaking roll on. Me deodorant. So listen, me I get ready, you know. I don't know if I school me I go or nothing. I mean I put on my deodorant, I mean I put I mean, the thing she encourage my underwear if me not lie. I mean I put on my clothes or whatever. Only if you feel my skin at itch. I mean they are like I'm gonna say I want what really happened because this never happened to me before. Me never been encouraged in my life. Me don't think me ever it ever sitting there I'm always there bush. So you must know. But the girl encouraged me, you know, in my mother yard. After my mother treat her so nice, the girl come at me and encourage me. But anyways, me forgive you. Me forgive you, Sonny. Me forgive you. Y'all evil? Like who does that, bro? Like Michelle asks, who's my favorite person, whether family or friend? To be honest, right now, Bella and DeAndre, I don't get to see him as much. I call him my son. I don't get to see him as much, but he's my favorite person. And also Bella. I love Bella. I act like she's my daughter. And also Auntie D. She's my favorite person. Like, we don't talk as often as I would like or as often as we used to, but like, she's my favorite person too. I don't know if you could have three, but yeah, I can choose. Anyways, do you have a favorite vacation destination? I really like anywhere there's beach, I'm good. Well, let me clarify. Anywhere where there's beach that you could actually go into the water, yeah. Like in America, like I don't be going to the beaches here, and if I do, I don't be going into the water other than my feet, cause like I don't trust it, and it's so cold you can't even go in it anyways. So yeah, that's a whole other thing. So I like Jamaica. Like when I'm in Jamaica, I could go to the beach, all that stuff. But my dream vacation is probably like Barbados. I just want to go to the beach there and Turks and Caicos. Yeah, I definitely want to do that. If you were not an accountant, what would you be? To be honest, I actually don't know what I would be. So growing up, I went through the phases. You know, everybody wanted to be a teacher, then you wanted to be a nurse, but then I discovered I hated seeing blood, and if I see blood, it makes me, yeah. So I can't do that. So, and then I wanted to be a human resource manager, but then I was like, you don't have to get an HR degree to actually be in HR. So like, if I wasn't an accountant, I probably still would have gotten my accounting degree, but I'm sorry, I have a finance degree. But anyways, I would have went into HR, doing something in HR. So still in corporate America. What else? Yeah. I don't know. Like that's sad that I really don't know what I would do. Yeah. And this is exactly why I did finance and accounting, because I don't know what else I would do. Anyways, favorite gospel song. So right now I've been feeling Here Again by Elevation Worship. I also love Tim Element new song. What's it called? Touch From You. I love that song. So right now it's one of those, and I love Be Blessed by Yolanda Adams. And I also love her other song. What's it called? How would I forget this song? I don't remember it. If I do remember it, I'll leave it here, but like I don't remember it. All-time favorite movie, War Room, I answered that. Road trip or flying? I would want to go on a road trip, but I want to go on a road trip where somebody's driving me, because I hate driving. But I drove to Canada, like it was early in the morning, but like yeah, I like road tripping because I could sightsee, I could stop. When you're on a plane, you just go in one place and it's like bam, you there. Like, but when you're on a road trip, you could sightsee, you could stop, you could do this, you could do that. So yeah, road tripping. What's my go-to meal? My go-to meal is probably corned beef and rice. Like, if I don't know what to cook, I always have corned beef in my cabinet. So I'll be like, okay, corned beef and rice it is, or spaghetti and rice. Spaghetti and corned beef, I mean. Yeah, that's my go-to meal. Or ice cream. That's not a meal, but it is for me. So don't be judging me, okay? Um, what's what would you name your child if it's a boy? If it's a boy, I'll probably give them a biblical name. Like I like Solomon, but I probably wouldn't name my son Solomon. Maybe Samuel or Jonathan. Um, Emmanuel. Something like that. I don't know yet. I have to think about it. I haven't really thought about it, but I know if I had a child and it's a girl, it's gonna be Sarah Elizabeth. Okay, that's all I am. Do you drink water? Yes. But no, I don't drink alcohol, and it's by choice. So I don't want nobody telling me I need to drink this, that, or the third. I don't drink by choice because I don't like it, and yeah, and I don't know what I would do if I get drunk. Like I don't want to, yeah. So I just stick to non-alcoholic beverages. Okay, just yeah. What is my favorite color? My favorite color is purple. I love purple. Like, if you're gonna get me something, get me some purple, okay? I'll appreciate it, like, a lot, okay? Thank you. Favorite ice cream flavor? That would be eggnog from Dunkin' Donuts, from Baskin Robbins, same thing, but yeah. Eggnog from Baskin Robbins, and I like strawberry cheesecake ice cream from Devon House in Jamaica. Besides, if I go to Jamaica, I'm going to Devon House. The last time I didn't get to, and I was so sad. But yeah, if I go back, I'm definitely going. Barbecue or spicy zinger? I like spicy more, especially like it's KFC. So like, I definitely like spicy more than I like their barbecue. Their barbecue is somewhat garlicky. I mean, it's good, but don't get me wrong, their spicy stuff are the bomb diggity dog. Who do I love? I love everybody. Okay, that's the Christ-like answer. Okay, I love everybody. Um, would you eat a can of worms if your life depends on it? No. My girl, you already know say me a picky eater. You think say me I go eat worm? No, me I go dead. Cause no, me not eat that. Nope. Nope, not at all. I'm good, love. Enjoy. What is your long-term goal career-wise? So here's my thing. So I want to be in a company where I'm making good money and doing things that I like, but I don't know that I want to be a manager because I can't deal with all the stress in meetings and stuff like that. I just want to go there and do my job, like not a lot of meetings. Like I could see people, but I mean I want to move up, but like certain companies there's different ways to move up. Like you can move up from like say like a level 1 to a level 3 whatever without being a manager. Like I want to keep moving up like that until I decide okay it's time for me to be a manager because yeah, because I want more money. But yeah, I think that's my career goal. Like I don't know, let me think about it. I didn't expect y'all to go that deep. My goodness. You love Courtney, right? Yes, Courtney, I love you. Like, why are you asking me that? I think this is the last question, guys. Oh, actually, I have 2 more questions. So Simone asked, when are we getting the pregnancy prank? And so I'm planning on doing it this weekend, so we'll see if it works. I already ordered the stuff. We'll see if it works. Hopefully she's not watching this video, because why are you asking me this on camera, honey? You know she might see this. But anyways, yeah. I'll see about it this weekend. At what age do you plan on having your first child? So here's the thing, guys. I want kids so bad. These are not my kids. These are Bella's kids. But they're my kids for right now. We share kids, okay? She takes mine too. But anyways, so I want kids like right now, but I know like Karen is watching this like what? But anyways, yeah, I want kids now, but it's not that easy to make a baby, so yeah. Yeah. It's gonna happen when it happens because because I don't know. But anyways, I think this is the end of our video. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video as you got to know me a little bit better. Comment below any questions you may have and I will answer them in the comments. Or if you guys want another part 2 of this video, comment down below and let me know that as well. But for right now, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed and thank you guys for watching.